Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya. Today's lesson is titled Introduction to Agentic AI that acts autonomously. Imagine a really smart parrot that can learn from what it hears and sees. That's kind of like AI. We teach computers to learn patterns and make decisions, just like the parrot learns to mimic sounds. As developers, we create the rules and training for this parrot. Think of a simple calculator. It reacts to your input. That's reactive AI. Agentic AI, on the other hand, is proactive. Imagine a robot vacuum cleaner. It doesn't just react to being turned on. It decides where to clean, avoids obstacles, and empties its dustbin, all autonomously. From a developer's perspective, this means building systems that can plan and execute tasks without constant human intervention. Autonomy means self-governance. An autonomous AI system makes its own decisions based on its goals and the information it has. As developers, we need to define these goals very precisely and provide the AI with the tools, algorithms and data to achieve them safely and effectively. Agentic AI often uses components like perception, seeing and understanding the environment, like sensors on a robot, planning, figuring out the steps to achieve a goal, like pathfinding for a robot, action, taking steps to achieve a goal, like moving a robot arm, learning, improving performance over time, like refining a robot's cleaning strategy. Self-driving cars are a great example of agentic AI. They perceive their surroundings, cameras, sensors, plan a route, take actions, steering, braking, and learn from experience to improve their driving. Developers build these systems using a mix of computer vision, machine learning algorithms, and control systems. Building agentic AI is challenging. We need to ensure it's safe, reliable, and ethical. Developers need to account for unexpected situations and prevent unintended consequences. How would you program the self-driving car to navigate a sudden, unexpected obstacle? This requires robust programming and testing. Agentic AI has huge potential across many industries, from robotics and healthcare to finance and logistics. As developers, we're on the cusp of creating truly intelligent, autonomous systems that will transform the world. But we must do it responsibly. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.